Hello YouTube friends and welcome to my channel. In this video I would like to share with you a unboxing and first look of the Twosun Mini Micro. Yes, this is one of those Twosuns that have a name and this is model number TS266. So I usually don't collect this kind of knives. They are what I would say novelty knives, but I must say that I do like designs from Mazvan Mokhtar. This is also one of his designs, and it is basically a pocket butcher, so a full tang small fixed blade. And don't understand me wrong, but I just don't understand that why Twosun is producing a really nice knife, really small knife. They probably have their audience or people who like them, but they will not give you any kind of sheath. So sorry, but this does not cut it. Piece of rubber. It's probably from a windshield or something. I don't know what for they're using this, but yeah, there is simply no way how to carry this knife. You definitely need to make a sheath for it. So if you don't have any kind of knife materials like ABS plastic or Kydex, then you can use probably some kind of cardboard and make yourself sheet out of cardboard and some duct tape. But yes, come on Twosun. I really like all your knives that I so far got, but this is just disappointing. But let's talk about the specifications. So we have an over length of 8 centimeters, which is 3.1 inch. The blade length is 3.6 centimeters or 1.3 inches. The blade width is 2.5 centimeters or 1 inch. The blade thickness is 3.2 millimeters or 1.2 inches. The hand length is 4.3 millimeters or 0.7 inches. The handle thickness is 1 centimeter or 0.4 inches. The blade steel used on this one is 14C28N, and we have a carbon fiber scales on this one. The weight comes at 29.5 grams or 1 ounce. So let me give you a close-up. So on one side, and I forgot to mention, it is just your standard belt satin finish. On the one side we have the Twosun logo, on the other side we have steel, Mazvan Mokhtar's logo, and also somebody else. So let me try to zoom in to show you what's going on here. So this looks like a face with a tongue. I don't know, maybe it is some kind of collaboration, and they did not describe it in the description, so who knows, but looks like another person was involved, so who knows. So if you know, then let me know and my subscribers in the comments down below, of course. So as far as of handling, yes, this will look ridiculous in any kind of adult hands, probably also in a child's hand, but I have not tried it out. Let's see the sharpness. So yes, this could be better, like I know from Twosun. So yes, you should probably strop it or use your ceramic stones for it. So overall, yeah, if you like to collect novelty knives, then this will be something for you. Price wise, you can go right now to Wide Mountain Knives. They should have some on stock for $34.99, but usually what I suggest anybody to do your homework, check out eBay, because they have a storefront there and they will auction these on a regular basis, so you can go check out the model TS266 and maybe you can get it as low as $20. So it depends on how many people are bidding on it. Okay, so if you don't need it in hurry, then check out eBay and save some money. Yes, of course you will have to wait because these are shipped from China. And now I see that they used a, looks like acid black wash all over the handle and the blade, and then they are set and grounded to set and finish. Nice detail. Okay, so now I don't even know if I should show some size comparisons with other knives, but well, let's try to show something. So obviously one of my favorite designs from Mazvan Mokhtar is the 187 from Twosun. Definitely a much larger knife. So the smallest one I have here on my bench is the Black Legion Flipper. Yeah, even that is larger. I don't know. Let's try Peanut. A Swiss Army knife, the Super Tinker. Okay, let's do some from my well-known collection. So here is the Kaiser Pinch, I don't know, CVV Elementum, Bug Vintage Select, Red Model 2, Spyderco Delica, and let's close it up with K-Bar Dozier Folding Hunter, just because it's probably would be overkill to show any other knives because they are larger. Okay, so overall I must say the details are there. So you have a really beautiful and nice frag pattern on the scales. You can definitely use a lanyard on this one because it has a really nice wide lanyard hole, so give yourself a nice thick paracord, and then it will probably stabilize the knife itself in your hand. Of course you have also a hole here in the front, so I don't know, maybe you can use some kind of wrapping around, who knows. But probably what this knife would be excellent at, I would say package opener or mail opener. If you have it just on your desk, near your, maybe near your computer and so on, or if you buy yourself a acrylic stand. Let me grab one. Okay, so while I was grabbing the stand, I also grabbed two more knives. Something small that I have in my collection. So here is the Kershaw Chive and the well-known Spyderco Cricket. They obviously will be larger than this one, but I mean something like this for coins and knives. Maybe you can proudly display it underneath your computer monitor or so on, and if you need, you can go just grab it, open your packages, open a mail. The 14C20N will be really good for retention holding, so you will not have any kind of problems. It will not dull that easily, and of course it have a sufficient corrosion resistance. We have one stainless steel screw that holds the scales, so if this would be blacked out, it will probably flow better with the design. This just breaks the design. I don't know why they didn't use a acid stone wash procedure on it, but yeah, it is what it is. And it is the Twosun Mini Micro. Okay, so let's wrap it up. If you have any questions, please leave comments down below. I'm more than happy to reply as soon as I can. If you're a subscriber, thank you very much. Big thumbs up to you. I always try to say it because I appreciate all my subscribers, new and old. If you're not a subscriber, then please consider subscribing. I try to release at least 3 videos per week. Everything you see is made in my own time. This is my hobby, my passion, so I try to produce videos about my collection, my journey, and sometimes I talk about knives, sometimes I talk about watches, sometimes I talk about miniature painting and so on, but the most important is if I can give you anything that could help to make a better decision, if you should or should not buy the item, then I'm happy to hear from you. Share your experiences. If you did bought the knife, or if you have the knife, then let me know how are you happy with it, and maybe as a community we can grow together. So it is always to have more input about these things so that we can learn. Okay, with that being said, I would like to thank you for your time. Thanks for watching. Wish you a wonderful day and hope to see you soon. Stay safe. Bye.